yeah, let's go explore. We're gonna get some fall vibes. We're gonna get some shopping. We're gonna do some activity, hopefully. They have mushroom hats on. Guys, it's cute, I promise. So spend the day alone with me here in Tokyo. Good morning, everyone. It is, guess what? It is a Thursday and I don't have work today. So my job, I work weekends sometimes. So if I work a weekend, then I get a weekday off. So that's what's happening and I'm happy and I'm so excited to go out. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So if you're kind of new, up until this summer, I was a grad school student. So that meant I could go out on weekdays. And going out on weekdays and going shopping on weekdays is great because Tokyo gets super crowded on the weekends, of course. So we're gonna make the most of this. We're gonna go out, we're gonna shop, I'm gonna do what I wanna do. Spending the day alone, I'm just gonna enjoy the peace. I'm gonna enjoy my beautiful presence alone. Yeah! Exciting! So the plan for today is to go to Ikebukuro. Ikebukuro has a lot of stores I really like. The area itself I don't exactly like, it's just the stores, and Sunshine City, which is a great mall. So we're just gonna do everything today. We're gonna do it all. I don't care if I'm on the super packed train home tonight. I'm just gonna have fun and shop and vibe and yes. Yeah, let's go explore. We're gonna get some fall vibes. We're gonna get some shopping. We're gonna do some activity, hopefully. So spend the day alone with me here in Tokyo. This is a heart. Let's go. Okay, I have a question. If you're gonna go shopping at a store, would you consciously make an effort to not wear that store's clothes when you go to buy the clothes? Because I have this problem all the time. Like, because most of the clothes I like that I think are cute are from Samansa Mosu Mosu or Eka Sopo. Like today I want to go there and buy more clothes, but I don't want to wear the clothes there because it's like, I don't know, it's like, yeah. So I'm just wearing Uniqlo. And then the cardigan is from there, but like, what are you gonna do? It has a bee on it. It's so cute. Oh, come on. The bee. Let's go. Sunshine City. Sylvanian family store and I disassociated. Okay, I'm at karaoke. This one's actually pretty nice. It's a Joy Sound. Like that, it's like a Joy Sound store. I don't know what I'm saying. This is my first time coming to karaoke in like a few months because it's more expensive on the weekend and usually they don't let you do it alone when it's like on the weekend because it's like crowded. But this is good. I'm happy. I have a drink. But doing karaoke in Japan alone is actually, it's pretty common. And if you do want to do it, just try to go on a weekday. Even at night, it would be better than a weekend. Sometimes they'll let you do it on the weekend, but not always. And it depends on the store. But yeah, this one, it costs about 200 yen for each half hour. And then you also have to order a drink, which are like overpriced. So this was like 400 yen or something. I don't know. All in all, I think it's about 1,000 yen for an hour and a half, which it's fine. I don't know. Let's sing. I'm home. Whenever I get home from going out for like a long time, like shopping or something, I just have to like, I lay on the couch and I just read manhwa for an hour and eat a snacky. And I'm only now rejuvenated, reinvigorated, reborn. And oh my god, I bought so much stuff. The guy at the Ekasopo in Sunshine City, when I checked out, he was like, wow, thank you for buying so much stuff. Normal people don't buy this much stuff, but I did. Also, if you are a man who has ever worked at a woman's clothing store, why? I want to know. I genuinely want to know. Because I don't get what the point of it is if you can't get discounts on clothes. I mean, maybe he wears them. I don't know. But he was just in a hoodie, so. I just want to know. But Jesus, I didn't know they had bags this big at the store. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. But you know what? We're actually gonna do that last because I went to other places. I spent so much money today. I'm not gonna tell you because you would be disappointed. No, I don't, whatever. I never really get the chance to go shopping there because it's a bit far now from me, and that's the best one. So I'm gonna show you what I got at other stores first. So let's start with 3 coins. If you don't know, 3 coins is like 3 coins, like 300 yen store, and all the stuff there is like the selling point is that it's like more aesthetic, kind of, and it is. So I got a kitchen sponge rack. I need a new one of these. This is a practical purchase. And then I got a carry-on folding bag. This was actually 1,000 yen. Not everything there is 300 yen, but I really wanted one of these. I have one from them already actually, but this one looks like a lot bigger and better with like more pockets. So I usually use this when I go travel, and like I don't think I'm gonna need the bag when I go, but then like when I come back with stuff because I spent money and bought things, that's where this comes in. I don't want to open it, but I do because I have no idea what it really looks like because they didn't really have a sample. Okay, let's open it. Let's open it. I'm gonna regret this. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is much better quality than my other one. It's pretty good. And there's inside pockets in here too. It feels actually like very well sturdy or whatever. And it has this luggage thing. I only buy bags with this thing if I'm using it for travel. And there's also a zipper pouch here. That's really nice. Okay, good purchase if you need one of these little baggies. 3 coins. The real voyage of discovery consists not in seeking new landscapes, but in having new eyes. In addition, opportunity only knocks once. God, I really bought a lot of stuff today. Okay, I also got this. It's like a drying rack that kind of like rolls out on the sink. This was a practical purchase. And then I got 2 more things from 3 coins. What is the lighting doing? I got a Switch case. Ha ha ha. I have one now, but actually this one's like smaller. Very nice. Light pinkish beige color. That was like 500 yen, I think. And then lastly, I got a little hairbrush. Actually, this was the whole reason I went there. I wanted to get this hairbrush. I saw it on Instagram. So it's just like this, and then it's this kind that pops out. I really like this kind of hairbrush. I have been using the same one for like 5 or 6 years now, so I really need a new one. Next, the Pokemon Center. A sticker to put on my laptop. Yubi furimasu. And this thing. I couldn't like try it on in the store, so I don't know. I'll look. I hope I can use this for washing my face. Yeah. Oh my god, these ears are so dumma. They're so in the way. It's so funny. Pika. Okay. Next, the Sylvanian Family Store. Thank you to that stupid TikTok account. Now I'm obsessed with it and I have no chill. Look at them. They have mushroom hats on. I had to buy this. Come on. Who could resist this? No one. No one. So I got that. And then I did they had like a Kuji, like a, not a lottery. I don't know. A lottery. I got the worst prize, but it was only 700 yen. And I think I get a random baby. So let's see. I haven't opened it yet. They're all Halloween babies. I got the one I wanted! It's so funny. Wait, what's the costume? No way! What? I thought you only got the costume with the, like, the matching costume. Oh wait, I got the secret one! I got the secret one! This is the best day of my life. Hold on, I'm gonna... It's so cute. Please look at this. It's so cute. It's a ghost. Chocolate bunny. Love it. Now for my massive clothing haul. All right, we're gonna do a try on haul. I got this like long sleeve white shirt and it has like these little holes, but they're cute holes. And this this thing. And then this is the dress. It's so cute. This material, it's so nice. It's very sturdy, but that's not all. I can also wear it like this, turned around. So it's like this style. And I also got this shirt. I love this. The scallop, so cute. And the back is like sailor kind of style. Really cute. I'm also really happy because most of my older shirts from this brand, the sleeves are usually like way too short on me. Like I have a few older shirts that are like that, but lately most of the shirts actually like fit me like lengthwise. I like it. So cute. Okay, and then this is the dress I got. Look at this collar. It's so cute. Yeah. I love it. I'm ready for fall. Oh, and one more thing. I also bought a jacket. I wasn't gonna get the jacket, but you know how it is. I feel like the angle of this camera is not it. Please imagine. See, it's cute. It's cute. Guys, it's cute. I promise. I promise it's cute. It's like a little bubble sleeve thing. It's cute. Ah, pockets. I don't know how people get outfit shots that don't look stupid on cameras. Okay, that is the haul. Ah, time to make dinner. Okay. Wow, I really gotta put something on this wall. What a backdrop. Okay, I ended up working for like an hour. By work, I mean YouTube work. It takes work, you guys. Like, not just even editing this, it's like emails and... But with that being said, I'm now gonna go shower. I've been wearing last night's pajamas this whole time. Because I didn't want to put my dress back on. So I'm gonna go shower and then I'm gonna read a bunch of manhwa because I'm in like my manhwa phase again still. I waste so much time reading these things. Right now I am reading Leveling with the Gods. I go back and forth between romantic fantasy, must be fantasy, or I don't care about the romance, and then these like action-y ones. I don't know. So I'm gonna end the video here. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like the video. Please leave a comment down below. It really helps out so much. And Sylvanian families, fans, rise up. I'll see you guys back here again soon. Bye!